So he says it's Sith of one, half a dozen of the other. So I struck him down.
Hey guys. I'm here to make sure you're testing your smoke alarms once a month and that you replace them every 10 years. You should have smoke alarms in every sleeping area and in the hallways outside the bedrooms.
The Empire does not sleep. We are busy bringing order to the galaxy.
Well, to make it easier, the fire department will bring you smoke alarms and install them for free. Well, if you change your mind, give the fire department a call and we'll bring you smoke alarms.
Smoke alarms? The Death Star is indestructible.